Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of cookware with a set that's been making waves. The GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard Anodized 22-piece cookware set. If you're in the market for the best frying pan induction enthusiasts swear by, look no further. The GreenPan Valencia Pro set has been turning heads and changing kitchens worldwide. Let's break down why this set has garnered so much attention. First up, the cutting-edge ceramic nonstick coating infused with diamonds. Not only does it offer remarkable durability, but it also ensures balanced heating and effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to stubborn residue sticking to your pans. Plus, it's metal utensil safe, so you can whip up your favorite recipes without worrying about damaging the surface. Another standout feature is its toxin-free construction. The signature ceramic nonstick coating is free of PFAs, PFOA, lead, or cadmium, ensuring that your cooking remains healthy and safe for you and your loved ones. Crafted with duo-forged hard anodized bodies, these pans are unbelievably tough and scratch-resistant, providing you with kitchen companions that last. And let's not forget about the magneto induction bases. Optimized for performance on all stovetops, including induction, these pans ensure consistent cooking results every time. Whether you're simmering, sautéing, or searing, the GreenPan Valencia Pro set has got you covered. Lastly, the durable glass lids offer a convenient way to monitor your cooking progress, whether you're simmering sauces or braising meats. And with oven-safe capabilities up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven. With all these features packed into one incredible set, it's no wonder that the GreenPan Valencia Pro has earned accolades like the 2023 Good Housekeeping Sustainable Innovation Award. Oh, if you're ready to elevate your cooking experience and invest in quality that lasts, the GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard Anodized 22-piece cookware set is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products you love. Until next time, happy cooking!